Through hard work and some excellent products that's in the market on prevention, mitigation, suppression, on the PV systems, you learn so much every day. And although those things doesn't get to us yet, although they are, but not much, and the capturing of it is not always there, so it's difficult to give stats to everybody. But if you have a PV system installed, you must realize that it comes with risks, but you can prevent it, you can mitigate it, you can suppress it. There is solutions. But that is the next step. And that goes along with the video that I did yesterday about the maintenance. That's very important. But during emergencies, if everything fails, and everything fails, it could be, it could not be, but you have to be prepared. And yeah, so we sat and with the product, with our product partners, we sat and we actually went to a customer, which is a school. And so we sat with them with one of the solutions to de-energize your PV system safely during emergencies, because it's very important. There's people involved and everything. So by that, we saw we did almost like a product push, and we don't like that. That's not my style. I like to inform, I like to give information and let the people decide for themselves if they need a product like that. So they couldn't really understand what it is for and how it works, although that we showed the videos and everything. But the thing is, there's only one solution basically to fully de-energize your system. And we are privileged to be the distributors for that. But not to make this a product push, but to get to the point of evacuation. If everything fails, the dynamics changes dramatically. There's a DC danger zone that the first responders cannot enter, and that you as the people, the occupants, everybody involved there must be very aware of not to get into trouble, not to get electrocuted, not to do the wrong things, how to de-energize your system. And we see it in the storms as well. It's very important. First of all, we know if you take down the load, it helps, but it cannot stop. When the sun is shining, your PV modules will keep on producing, and that creates the DC danger zone. By that, you have to adjust your evacuation plan. So we actually did it's basically a course. It is available, and I'm not yet to push it, but I would love to go through. We did it now, lots of efforts in it. So it is available for download. It's a form that you fill in, and all the information is on there. So we'd like to test it. We've got an appointment to go back to them. We asked them to, we gave them the opportunity that we will basically give it for them for free, so that we can go through this and to link all the emergency service together. We looked at lots of things about the occupational health, evacuation plans, all those things, but with the PV modules installed, in the cases we saw in South Africa, we've realized what the risks are and how to mitigate it and everything. So yeah, go to it. It is in my link in the bio. And even just go through if you don't want to buy it, I don't mind, just go through the information on the website and just give us your feedback. We need that to see. And yeah, if you a school or a business, and yeah, you can even do it for a home as well, because it changes the dynamics as well. I think we will do a lighter one with not so much info. I think it's 50 pages, everything. So it's in all aspects. What's the difference between the inverters? So it's training for the consumers, the people that, those systems are installed, you paid a lot of money, but you certainly don't completely know what this technology is, and it's very important. So we want to go basically to the schools as well to inform the people. So maybe start with the schools and also then with businesses as well. Because, the regulations is there, everything is there, but we know that, you cannot stop disasters. And if it happens, you need to be prepared. We're very busy now developing the app for it. Very difficult, something new for me. So yeah, I know exactly what I want, how I want it to run. But yeah, it's very difficult because there's so many things to add. And yeah, so the evacuation plan is for PV modules, but even if you don't have an evacuation plan, maybe at your business, we are not there to fill in there's people specializing in this. So we're not there for that, but we want to bring in the PV module, the PV, bring these sectors together. So yeah, with lots of business partners, we've got meetings next week with some insurance companies, with the schools, with the fire brigades, and we are really try to help to get all these sectors linked together for a safer PV experience. So if it happens, that you are prepared. And yeah, so it can be used for other things as well. So you put in basically all the info of all the people, you can update it. So it's in PDF form. And yeah, we will also consult then to go through it with it. So yeah, just keep watching and following. We might see that's a dream that you've got this vision. You have to move towards it, but you need so many things to link up with it. And yeah, at this stage is like I say, that's the thing about business. Sometimes you don't get paid for this. You do it because you've got a passion, you've got a vision, you've got a mission. We are basically, put all our energy in it. But because of safety and because of the love for the renewable energy, we don't want to get it a bad name. It's gonna put in Bon Jovi, yeah. Hey, you give love, but yeah, so it's just so important, and we're proud of this. Something that we have achieved. We showed it to our partners, the products that we put in. They really feel they can maybe use it, maybe worldwide. Who knows? It could go viral, or it can go dead. It all depends how the market accepts it. And yeah, so there's a disclaimer. Just go through the disclaimer as well. We're not here to try to be wise asses. We want to use our knowledge and the products that's out there, and there keeps on promising, products coming in. And I know there's some excellent systems in the market with people that do it excellent. And remember, 25 years is a very long time. You cannot guarantee that nothing's going to happen with the system. So you need to be prepared. So that's the thing. Need to be prepared. And so it's actually like a brag. I don't know, but a proud. It's a proud thing to bring out. So yeah, if you can go through that, and if you've got experience in this field, I would really like to hear from you. If you've got a system on your school, please contact us. Let us show it to you. So at this stage, it might go a bit more expensive. At this stage, it's entry level. We just want to get it out there for 250 Rand, just to get some funding back so that we can put in more efforts and get the app developed. That's the main thing. If you're very good with apps, I don't want to share exactly how I want it to run, but because then somebody else could do it. There's not really something like it. So it will be like a emergency that we want to link it with the, for a household can be used. So it will have different fields so that you can use it. So there will be a free version as well. But yeah, pray for us. Let us do it.
Visit the website www.altvtech.co.za